Hey, hello, and welcome to the Wednesday afternoon game development stream. Today we are going to be continuing where I left off from yesterday, which is going to be working on this area here. I've got this whole little dungeon of a couple of floors, and we're going to go into each of the individual ones and just give it a little bit of detail. Yeah, get my music set up there, sorry. Mute randomize, skip ahead, turn that down, and crank it up on this end. Okay, we should be all good now. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna keep working on this area. I'm gonna put some extra puzzles in, some challenges, some stuff to dodge. Should be fun, pretty relaxed, just me doing some good old-fashioned area design. So, without further delay, let's get directly into it. Okay, so let's begin with a bit of a recap. So you start down here for everything we did yesterday. So you'll start right up here, that's right. And you can move through some enemy patterns here. You can do another enemy pattern to get a reward right up there. And then you have two different staircases you can take. This one will take you up here, where there's going to be a puzzle of some sort. I still need to design that. And the other one will take you over here, where you can then take another option for split pathways, where there's an enemy pattern you can dodge here, or something else right there. And this one will take you through yet another enemy pattern here, this one takes you through a pattern there, and then it takes you up to floor 4. So if you followed the more difficult path, then you get this big reward, and then you backtrack down and can proceed to the other path, which will take you right here. Now you can proceed on up to the 5th floor, or do this bonus challenge to get yet another small reward. So, this will then take you up to floor 5, which will be right here, and then you see that there's this locked door, and you have to go back down to the 1st floor using a different path that will then allow you to get the key to proceed. So that's the first half of the dungeon, basically. And then there's the second half where you go down to get the key. So we've got pretty much the entire first chunk of it, but now we have all these other segments of level left to design. Okay, so we've got floor 5 here, and one thing we're going to be doing as we go, because the method that I have for doing the art for this project is making these maps, and then an artist will redraw on top of it. Basically, he can draw out the maps. So what I'm going to do is set up things like these little boxes and rock things that I've drawn, just to signal to him when it's his time to draw the maps out. He'll know what is a signal for something that should or should not be impassable, essentially. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna... Anything that we work on designing is gonna also have just a bunch of junk and stuff around. Maybe that's a little quiet. Let me turn it up a little. There we go. Okay, so we'll throw some boxes around. This area is supposed to be pretty ruined because it was the victim of a rather aggressive takeover. So it's gonna pretty intentionally be pretty claustrophobic. Okay, well I can't have that because then you can't pass by. But there'll be just all sorts of things blocking your path, just making it generally kind of difficult to traverse. Not in terms of any real challenge, but it just means that there's constantly little boxes and stuff that you gotta walk around. Any sorts of small nuisances like that, just to make it a little bit more, to sell the feeling of this ruined, overtaken building that's just in complete disarray. So, you know, can throw a couple extra boxes in just to really clog up the path. Then we'll throw in some rocks and stuff, just to add a little variety to the clutter. Yeah, sure, it'll do. Actually, no, it won't. Now it will. Okay. I accidentally made it inaccessible, so a bit of a fix there. Okay, so we've got the aesthetics of this area lined up. So now we take this staircase, which takes you down right here. Okay, so there's 2 paths. I need to figure out what each of them is going to be for. Because I know it's all ultimately going to lead down to this staircase, which lets you explore the bottom floor, do like a challenge here, and then solve like a puzzle, fight a mini-boss, something. Probably a mini-boss, because I don't really have any other mini-bosses for this area, so I'm going to keep some sort of combat challenge in place. So, bonus challenge here, bonus challenge that fills up this whole section, mini-boss. Probably a save point, too, so the player doesn't have to spend too long without having any relief. Actually, before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and grab a save point right here. And I'll put one... We can put it right in here. So right before you head into the dungeon proper. And I think the best way to handle a checkpoint here would probably be to put one right here. Yeah. So you get a bit of a halfway mark checkpoint. We'll have to do some trial and error testing to see if any of these checkpoints send the player too far back. Because you could end up going all the way down, fighting the mini-boss, and then die to something on the way back up, and then have to restart it, which would be pretty annoying. But I don't know if that's necessarily a detriment, since rather that encourages caution, rather than just aimlessly fighting everything that you see. So, we'll see. That'll just be some testing. For now, I'm going to keep the checkpoints a little bit strict. A little bit, not excessively so. Okay, so let's trace each of these paths. So you go floor 4, down here, and then... I forgot how weird the staircases line up in this version. That's right, okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is... I feel like these need some sort of a distinction. This will be the path to progress. There's gonna be some sort of obstacle in this tunnel, which leads you down here. And then it dumps you out right here, where these 2 paths could intersect or something. Actually, no, that's just a straight shot down from that point. Okay. Okay, so this right here is just going to be some sort of a bonus path. Which we can... Yeah, let's do something like that. And then we can just put some rocks and boxes and stuff down. I'll use boxes as my placeholder, and then we can do the more fine detailing as we go. Okay, would be a good challenge for this tunnel. First idea is to do something I've done pretty frequently, which is just have like a long vertical moving enemy and then a couple of side moving patterns side to side, which I could do. Ah, okay. Just checking a college thing. Because I'm moving back in 2 days now. Oh boy. I don't know if that's showing up on my stream. No? Okay, it seems like it isn't. But for some reason the nightlight just got turned on. Just, you know, handy feature. But I don't really want that on right now. Okay. Yeah, that just reduces blue light, so it's easier to sleep. If you're, like, doing computer stuff, but... Okay, weird. Let's map out an enemy pattern. Oops. And we'll give the player a little bit more leniency, I think. We'll do that, yeah. Man, this song is, I like this song a lot. From Kirby and the Forgotten Land. Okay, so now we're gonna set this guy's move route, which is a pretty simple feat. We'll just go up, up, up. Actually, let's make sure it lines up first before I start doing any unnecessary work. Okay, yeah, so these are like little 2 wide spots that the player could hide, and then they'll probably just need to rush through the last one. Yeah, okay, that should work pretty well, I think. So this guy is gonna go up, 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 okay, so he's gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, left. Okay. Then this guy, who will be going, I think a bit We'll set him at normal speed. And he's gonna go right, right, turn left, wait for half a second, left, left, turn right, and then wait for 30 frames. So that way he goes, looks the other way, looks the other way, looks the other way. Ooh, actually better idea to make it look a little bit more organic. He can move right, turn... Okay, yeah, so go right, right, turn down, wait 15 frames, turn right, wait 15 frames. Yeah, okay. So that'll just be a little bit more organic looking. So instead of him going, he goes. If that makes any sense. I don't know if the noise has illustrated my point any better. That shouldn't be a move. Okay, so it goes right, right, turn down, turn, wait. That should be turn left. Yeah, so you right, right, turn down, turn left, 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 turn down. I think maybe you should turn up, turn right. That might be really confusing. I'm pretty sure that works though. Let's give that a test just to make sure that it looks natural. I might want to update a lot of the enemy patterns so that they have more natural movements instead of being so jarring. I think that'll make them easier to predict. Yeah, okay, I would think that's an improvement that I should probably be implementing in other areas. Okay, I like that. Okay, now we're gonna do it, but mirrored. So we can get rid of this stuff, and then just flip it. So he goes, move right, right, turn down, wait, turn left, wait. Yeah, so this is something we're probably gonna want to do, is go in and, like, update a lot of these, with this newer sort of movement model. Because I think it'll just make patterns a little easier to figure out and less random seeming, which is, I would consider that just, you know, just straight up a positive. Okay, well the guy on the outside doesn't really pose much of a threat. But I don't really know if there's a way to make him pose much of a threat other than forcing you to walk down this linear line. Maybe we could make things a little bit more interesting. What if I do something like this? What if that bit's just blocked off entirely? I guess the problem here is that you can't really see the whole route, so you can't really plan out what you're gonna do in advance. Yeah, okay. I think I tend to overthink stuff and try to make it as difficult as I can when it doesn't need to be absurdly hard. Like, I want it to be kind of challenging, but not insane. So, that's something that I'm gonna cut back on a little bit here and there, I think. You know, stop trying to make things so... Not everything has to be some huge challenge. Okay, put a box there, put a box there, put a box there, there, yada, yada, yada. Box, 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 box. Box, box. Box, box. Here, we can even make this bit feel a little bit less like an unnatural obtrusion by doing that. Yeah, and I gotta weave in and out there, so it looks a little less flat. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. I got this area to work with. Here's what I'm thinking. So let's say that you got all this space to work with. So this is a bit of a safe zone for the player, and then they can enter into something dangerous here, which winds around and down for some sort of bonus right there. So let's grab a... Oops, turn my audio down. Ooh, this one's real good. Yeah. Fully sliding down on my chair. Okay, so what we're gonna do is... Where is... There it is. I'm gonna grab one of these, and I'll put it, like, right there. Let's, So I use those pink ones to sort of trace how I think an enemy should move. And we can sort of use that as we need to. Actually, here's a thought. Would it be worth doing it even on ones like this that are constantly moving to have, like, the pauses? So it goes up, 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 up. But then turn the direction that they're going to move before they move. Yeah, okay. I think that's a good way to do it. Yeah, so that'll make enemy patterns a little bit more predictable and look a little more naturalistic. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to do that for probably every single pattern that I've made so far, but it's a fairly minor thing to do that's ultimately, I think, gonna have a pretty big benefit. Yeah, let me watch this one if they... Oh, gotta wait for them to come back around. Oh, it doesn't seem like they did it. So they should turn? No, they didn't turn. So they move up, 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 up. Oh. Okay, I put the turn on the wrong spot. Wait, no I didn't. No, they should be above, shouldn't it? So they turn and then wait. Okay, so they go up, 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 turn right, turn down, move down, turn left, move left. That should do it. I don't know why it's not doing it. Maybe I do have them in the wrong order? Oh, well, we'll try it with both. No. Okay, well, it did it. It's doing it for every single turn except for that one. So when it's turning... Oh, it doesn't turn up. Yeah, okay. Turn up 15 frames. There we go. Yeah, and we'll have the turns be sort of a consistent 15 frames, at least for most of them. So now we should see this guy turn. Yep. Okay, I like that a lot more. That's a very small change, but... Oh, thought I closed out the engine on accident. It's a small change, but one that I think is going to make a pretty big difference. Yeah, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just implement that across every other enemy, so... We need something a little more energetic than this, actually, because this is going to take a hot second of maneuvering and schmaneuvering and maneuvering. What's a good track to play? Well, that's not a great one to pick. What do I want to go with? What do I want to go with? Wait, here we go. This will be a fun track for making minute changes. Here we go. This is the kind of energy we need right now. Making small changes to how enemies move. Let's go. Okay. Turn down. Wait, 15 frames. Move down. Wait, 15 frames. Turn right. Wait for 15 frames. Turn up. And then it goes... left? It goes left. Wait for 15 frames, but actually first it has to turn left. Okay, so I think this one just does this. So, move up. Wait, 15 frames. I keep doing the wrong order. Turn right. Turn left. Wait 15. Turn down. Wait 15 frames. And then it moves up. We can even just do it like this. Move up. Not move up. Turn up. Wait 15. Let's turn on all the other ones, yeah? Turn... Oh, not move down. Wait, no, it should be... Yeah, it should move down there. Let's see if those two are correct. It looks like it bounces right there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's an improvement. Just gotta make sure that that doesn't happen. I think it's when it's turning up. Well, it moves up. No, it turns... Oh, this has to go before it. Duh. Okay, we'll add the same thing to this guy. We already got the wait period implemented, so that's actually pretty easy. Move up, turn right, move right, turn down, move down, turn left. Okay. Oh, is there not a wait period here? There's 30, 30, 30. Oh, yeah, there's only 30. There's only periods of 30 there. Okay, so it should move left, then turn up, wait 30. Now it should look a little bit smoother. Yeah, I mean, maybe smooth isn't exactly the right word, but it's way easier to distinguish what the enemy is going to do. Which is good, because these like, lines aren't going to be here normally. Yeah, like, right, you can sort of see a comparison between these ones and those ones, where this feels a little bit too erratic in comparison. Yeah, okay. This is distinctly, definitively an improvement. Okay, these guys are going to be a pain to fix with this new little bit of movement. But we're gonna do it. We had to do it. Oh wait. That's right. I was gonna have it so that if somebody makes a 180, they turn, and then before they do like a full 180. Okay, this is gonna make this a little bit more complex. But it turns up, moves up, right. Okay, so what it should do is in between this, it's gonna turn down and then wait 15 frames, and then turn left, so that way it doesn't do the complete 180. Okay, then it turns down, moves down. Okay, then it turns, so we'll add a turn left, wait 15 frames, turn up, wait 15 frames, move up. Okay, so what we should be seeing there is a much smoother action. I think it looks jankier. It looks weirder. I think it should hold before the turn. So, because right now what it's doing is it's going, but it should go whoop, whoop, whoop. So, okay, let's run this through again. So it moves right, and then we'll have it wait for 15 here as well. Then it moves down and waits before doing the turn. Okay. So, this is exceedingly more complex than I had expected. Still pretty simple, like, but look. Yeah, okay. Small change, much better looking. Okay. I just experiment with, I kind of got sidetracked, but I feel like this is an important thing to figure out. Because if we can make this look real smooth, that's nice. So, moves left, turn down. Maybe what I should do is, before any turn, it'll wait, and then turn, so that way it doesn't feel as jarring. And I think this is worth doing. Oh, I've got the thing wrong here. Wrong order. I think this is worth doing, because it'll make things technically a little bit choppier. But it's a fairly minute difference, and two, I think it's gonna be worth it for enemies to make their movements as clear as we possibly can. Now I am probably gonna have to retest a couple of things with these new patterns, so we'll have to see. But we can make these 15, 15, 15, 15. So move up, turn. So we add the 15 before the turn. Add the 15 before the turn. 15 before the turn. 15 before the turn. Yeah, let's see if that looks better, or if this is just a complete waste of time. I mean, I feel like this is just better. It's a little hard to say, I suppose, without being able to see. It's a little bit difficult to be able to tell without fully seeing. Why do I keep blanking on this? Without them being like enemy sprites, you know, because they're not going to be like the actual sprites that like turn and look at you, the way that the sprites should. But oh well. I suppose that is how that goes. Oh shit. Yeah, but we can get a direct comparison between the older style and the newer style. Which I might even set aside for demonstration purposes at the meeting that I'm gonna have soon. Yeah, I might do that. Visual test? Nah. Yeah, I'll throw it in this one, because, sure, I don't really have anything else I'm using this place for. No. It shouldn't show up, it'll be fine. So we grab one of these guys, put it on parallax test. Heck, I'm Control Ving, but nothing's Ving. Control C. Control V. There we go. Just gonna scrap all this. So we'll do the old method on the left, which is up, 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 down, 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 down. I don't know why I don't just count. I feel like that'd probably be a lot easier. Anyways, so it'll move up, 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 and then it will wait 15, turn left, not move left, turn left, wait 15, turn down, wait 15, then moves down, 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 turn right, 15, actually we need to have a wait there, turn right, wait 15, turn up, wait 15. So with this map, we can get a direct visual comparison between the two. Yeah, I mean, I think that just looks smoother. Well, it's not... Yeah, like I said, this one's pretty smooth. It just glides back and forth, but I think this one's a little bit more intuitive. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to implement that change for all of the maps I've done, which is gonna be kind of tedious. Especially since there's one map that I'm really trying to get sent out to a friend of mine, because I want to get his feedback on the game. But we'll see on that. One second, I'll be back to talking soon. Okay, we're back. Should my goal really be to get this done today? Because I think it might be more immediately beneficial to polish up the prototype that I have, so I can get some feedback on that first. Yeah, that might be better. Sure, but they're not talking. My stomach's a little bit right now. Okay, so there's a couple things I'll need to do to prep the, a couple of things I'll need to do to prep things to properly be set for the combat prototype to be in place. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna scrap the shop stuff for now, because I have like a shop system set up, but I'm gonna not include that in the prototype, because it hasn't really been tested or fully thought through yet, so I'm gonna hold off. Where is he? Oh, it's Cool Think. Yeah, it's Cool Think. Yeah, so just to make sure the shop stuff's not there, I'm gonna move all this stuff out of the way. There we go. So now the player should have their full arsenal. We'll get rid of the shopkeeper guy, too. Don't really need him. Warp to the combat prototype. What's this guy? Save bet. What's this guy? Try to attempt this map in speedrun mode. That's right, the speedrun mode. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do is sort of manually alter the movement routes of every single possible different enemy on this map. It's gonna take a hot second, I imagine. Oh boy, this song's been going for 13 minutes. I should have switched off. Okay, so this guy goes up, 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 up. Before I do anything rash, actually, make sure I've got a backup. Yeah, I've got the base with all the pads and stuff. Okay, so if I ever need to, I can go back and use that one. So, we can be reckless as we want, considering we've got a strong backup on standby. Okay, so this guy's gonna go up, 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 up. Wait for 15. Was gonna turn right, wait for 15. Wait for 15. Move right, right. Wait 15, turn down, wait 15. Move down, down, down. Wait 15, turn right, wait 15. Move right, wait 15, turn up, wait 15. Wait one frame. 15. Turn down, wait 15. Wait, what? Wait 15, turn down, wait, okay. Got a little blumbled there. Oh, I'm whistling, but my mic isn't even picking up the whistle. I was doing a cool Wild Western whistle, but I guess it was all for naught, since it was not even heard. Ooh, another Kirby track. Okay, wait. Turn left. It's probably gonna take a long while, I'm realizing. So I kind of need to do this in a methodical manner. Let me just put my guy here and see what this looks like. Oh, I need to do that in the tutorial map too. Didn't even think about that. Ooh, right, and I gotta do that on the 180s. So when he turns back down for the second time, and then I need to implement the whole thing there. Shut up, Creative Cloud. I don't think I asked. So it moves down, down, down. Wait 15. Turn left, wait 15. Turn up, wait 15. There we go. So it's gonna move down, down. Oh, okay, wait. So it goes up, 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 wait 15. Okay, so we're gonna have a move up, wait 15, turn left, wait 15, turn down. Okay. I hope you get ready to hear me say turn and move quite a bit today, because that is likely on the docket. 15 and wait. Those are the words of the day. Chrono Trigger's got a very good soundtrack. I don't want to put something else on though. A little turn off shuffle and yeah, well, let's listen to the OST from Pac-Man Championship Edition, the NES edition. Yeah, this will be good music to fill the tedium. I think this guy goes like that. So we know that before any movement, I'm pretty sure that's not a 180. That this guy doesn't pull a 180 at any point, so we only have to do basic. 15, turn right. Wait 15. And we can do a 15, turn up 15, and then a 15, down 15. And then a 15, left 15. Then it moves up. Okay. So then what it's gonna do is wait 15, turn up 15. And I'm probably gonna just do these one at a time, like see what each individual one looks like. I think it's gonna be the longest way to do it, but I also think the way to make sure that I don't forget anything. Oh, well, I forgot something. So it turns up and then immediately moves right. So it's move up, turn right, turn up, move up. Alright, that should be a move right, shouldn't it? Not a move right, it should be a turn right. Should it? I'm lost. Okay, let me think this through. This is a little convoluted, especially without the pathway there to help guide. Okay, so it moves up. Turn right. So it moves up, it turns right, it shouldn't turn right again, it should move right. So it moves right, waits, turns up, waits, moves up. Oh, I just didn't have a wait there. No, not move right. Turn right. Wait. Okay, so it moves up, it waits. No, it turns. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm confusing myself. I think that's it. I think I got it. Let me Pac-Man. There we go. I'm going to need to make some of these a little bit faster, just to account for the fact that they are... Yeah, that's kind of the issue with this style, is that it's a lot easier to read, but as a consequence, I think much easier than intended now. Well, that's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Oh, I can't make this guy go any faster. Right, that's as fast as he gets, but it's still kind of a cakewalk now. Okay. I guess this is something I'm probably going to need to discuss with my team. Because I don't really want to sacrifice difficulty for the sake of making something, like, a little bit easier, I guess. Well, I don't want to sacrifice difficulty for a slight extra bit of clarity, when I don't know if clarity is necessarily the biggest issue. Yeah, okay, well, it's something I'm gonna have to keep in consideration. I guess when it's a single enemy, it really makes it easier, but if it's not, if you got a crowd that you're dealing with, then it still sort of maintains its difficulty, I would imagine. Okay, well I'm gonna copy paste the old versions back in. Yeah, we'll leave that out for the prototype that I sent. Yeah, we'll worry about that a little later, I think. Blech. But I think I will use it for these. Because I tried it on this one, and I don't think it really takes away from the difficulty, because you still have other things to worry about that are moving with that delay. It just takes something that could be challenging and gives it a little bit more clarity. We'll see, we'll see. Oh shoot, I forgot that's how that guy moved. Where's Dorbo? Oh, that's right, I gotta... Hold on, I gotta do this, and then... Where is he? Where's the door? There he is, there's the door. Yeah, there we go. Now he's all lined up. I'm grooving. Could make the turns a little shorter, but then at that point they wouldn't really have much benefit to clarity at all, I wouldn't imagine. It's a tricky question. I'm gonna keep implementing it here, and if worse comes to worse, I'll just undo it. It's fine. So, now it's just going to be implementing a lot more of these everywhere, which is a fairly straightforward process of weights and directions. So I think these guys are going to pull some 180s, and I'm going to need to fix those. I don't remember what the route is, like 1-to-1, so I think it's like... No, actually I do. It's like this. That's what it is. So there's a 180 here and a 180 here. So this is the 180. So it's going to move down, down, wait 15, turn left, wait 15, turn up, wait 15. Wait, so what is it? Moves down, down, then turns left. Why do I have a turn left there? Oh, right, because it does a... Yeah, I'm dumb. Okay, so... Moves up, it moves right, 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 it moves down, down, it moves left, 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 yep. So it'll be left, left, it'll wait 15, turn down, wait 15, and then turn right. Bum 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 ba bum bum bum. Yeah, it still seems a little bit too sluggish, doesn't it? What if I just make him really fast? Okay, sorry. I'm very easily distractible by music. Okay. Oh, shit. I definitely didn't kick my phone off. Oops. Okay. Ah, my back. Alright. So the thing I want to do... Because I really want to get this area done. And we can still probably do that today. But I'm going to temporarily switch my goal over to making sure that my prototype is all good. Should be... Yeah, there's the puzzle tutorial and combat tutorial. I'm going to run through all of this one more time just to see if it needs any further refinement, which it likely will. And for the sake of the demo, prototype, yada yada, whatever. I'll go ahead and... not that. That's not what I want to do. Just throw like a little X's there, so it'll block your pathway. You guys ready? You guys ready for some hype music? Bam 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 bam. Bam. Okay, let's give these a little bit of a trial run. First, I gotta fix these things up. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's a concern. There's supposed to be some enemy types that move so quickly that you don't have a chance to dodge them. Actually, no, okay. I got a solution for that. I'll just have to make the corridor itself a little bit tighter. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll have to move it so that the, so it's a little something like this instead. Fastest. And then this guy is just gonna move up. So he's gonna go... Ah, there's my neighbor outside. Okay, so they're gonna go up, 15, turn down, 15, move down. Oh wait, I was gonna have him do the 180s, that's right. So another wait, turn left. I could also just reduce the number of frames. That's also a possibility. Like 5. At least for the turns. Maybe any direction that it actually moves should be a bit of a longer delay. So that the turns and the moves have sort of a clear distinction to them. So it'll move up, turn left, turn down, wait a bit, move down, wait for 5, turn right, wait for 5, turn up. Yeah, so it could be up. Okay, so it turns up, waits for 15. Yeah, okay, I should really be testing this stuff out before I try to do any major implementations of it like I'm currently doing. I think that accomplishes our purpose. Oh, I got it on a random playlist. Okay. Yeah, I don't really want it playing Guilty Gear music right now. That's a little too distracting, I think. Oop. Didn't mute that. But I thought I shuffled this. Okay, we're good. Alright, so this guy's looking a little bit smoother. Cool, so that shows the players that. These enemies are going to be intentionally kind of easier to dodge, so I don't think I'm going to worry about it too much. At least not in terms of... We don't have to worry about making this bit difficult, because it's purely just a tutorial. So... let's go ahead and smoothen it out a little. You can get rid of these weights, actually, because we know it'll be... The weight of it turning will already be sort of built in the way we're doing it. So it goes up, it'll wait for, let's say 15. It will turn right, wait 15, turn down, and then wait for 15. Okay, so it'll move down, wait for 15, turn left, wait for 15, turn up, and wait for 15. So what we should be seeing there is a much smoother motion of the enemy moving. Yeah. So now instead of like this one where it just sort of goes up, flips, turns around, you get something like this where it goes up, does a little rotation, and then goes back down. And it's technically still faster than this one, but it looks smoother. So anything like that, we can sort of create functionally it'll be moving at the same rate, but the speed of it will just be a little different. Also, dang it, man, I cannot retain any viewers on YouTube. Nothing. I think I've had one viewer for more than like a minute. I've only ever had one viewer for more than a minute on like on the YouTube side of things. I get 0 numbers. Okay, so this guy is going to go up, up. He's going to wait for 15. He's going to turn left, wait for 15. Turn up, wait for 15. Wait. Turn right, wait for 15. Turn down, wait for 15. Then it's going to move down, down, wait for 15. Not turn right, turn left. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, okay. This is I would call this a step in the correct direction. Yeah. So it moves up, waits for 15, turns right, waits for 15, turns down, wait for 15, move down, wait for 15, turn left, wait for 15, turn up, wait for 15. We can do this guy too. So it's right, right, wait 15, turn up, wait 15, move left, wait 15, turn left, wait 15, then wait, turn down, wait. Okay, so it's gonna go down, down, 15, turn right, wait. Actually, since these are just corners, we can make these 5s. Yeah, since it's supposed to be a little bit of him just sort of gliding through the corners. I think it'll kind of come down to some of those smaller differences like that, of how quickly they move. So you can sort of see the enemy still turning, but it's easier to deal with. Yeah, like even that very small amount of time just makes this feel a little bit nicer to deal with. Yeah, like right here, you can sort of follow it, and then it's a little different here. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same thing to this guy, which is something I feel like I'm going to be saying quite a lot today. But now we have 5s, which should make these a lot more fun to deal with. I don't know if that's picking up on my mic. I think it's a garbage truck or something? I can't even see it. There's just a really loud vehicle outside, and I'm not sure if that's... What if I just don't say anything? Okay, no, it doesn't seem like it's being picked up. Unless you're watching my stream at, like, so that you can pick up sounds that are negative 60 decibels. You shouldn't be able to hear that. Okay, so turn right, move right, wait 5, turn down, wait 5. Okay, no, we're back on it. Okay. I'll add a little text box here for the sake of clarity, because I think this could end up being kind of confusing to players. We'll throw some, this is where I want to introduce the concept of doubling back, which is like, it'll be just like a little tech that you can do to make getting around stuff a little easier. So add a little text blurb just to let players know. Huh? What is doubling back? And then they can be like, oh look, I'm smaller. So I really need to see if that feels intuitive to do. If it doesn't, then, you know, oops. And if the player gets stuck here a little bit, you know, they make some mistakes, they make some oopses. They get hit a couple times, that's good. We want the player to make some mistakes. We want them to figure things out here in this safe environment where they're not going to be punished for minor errors. So we can get rid of these because it's going to end up being 15 anyways. So move up, wait 15, turn right, wait 15, turn down. Actually, it's a little bit longer, so even have a slightly more time. We can make it like 12, so that comes out to approximately the same. So turn right, turn down, move down. Then wait 12. Turn left, wait 12. Turn up, wait 12. And we'll do the same for these guys. Move up, wait for 15. Turn left, wait 15. Turn down, wait 15. Actually, it should be turn right. Considering that's how I usually make it so they go, yeah. Move up, turn right, turn down, cool. Then move down, turn left, turn up, wait. Man, it makes something that was just a couple of lines infinitely more complex. Now I gotta throw in an extra 6 lines for every 180, or an extra 4 lines for every regular turn. Okay, so the timing on that is a little bit shorter now. It's a little the window to get through there is a little bit tighter. So let's give it a test drive and see if that is still doable, and maybe if it needs a little bit of a rework. Ah, dang. Yeah, okay, that's good. It's a little bit tricky here, like a little trickier than it probably will be in the actual game, but I think that's good. It'll sort of force the player to get good at it. Unless they just get mega lucky, which would be, not fortunate for them. I think I need my toothpick because I'm a rough and tumble man. Okay, let's give the whole tutorial a little run through just to see how that feels now. At least the puzzle portion of the tutorial. Oops, I pushed it a little too far. Guess I'm gonna have to restart. Yeah, so I think that's fairly intuitive. Oh, wait, did I, skip if cannot move. Wait, okay. Yeah, okay. No, this is how we want them. Brief mind for it, don't worry about it. Wait, did this just play? I mean, I like the song, so whatever. Okay, so you do that bit there, and then you can push that box to block that guy, and you got some basic enemies to dodge, nothing too complicated. And it's like, oh no, what do I do here? This looks, I can't even hide there. It's like if you try to do this, then I'm gonna get hit. What do I do? Oh, here's the solution. You gotta double back. Yeah, and it is a little tricky. It's not super easy. Wait, why are these guys moving at the same rate? They shouldn't be doing that. I don't know why they're doing that. What if I warp myself back? Maybe it's because like the timing that I spawned them or something. Because they're not falling out of sync. They're clearly just... Okay, I guess it was just the time that I spawned them in. Weird. In combat, Dorb is a high damage, high health character. His abilities, with ranges, energy, exchange, repel moves, he also has stances. But after Dorb, you can only have one active at any given time. Pearl is an oddball. He has Vengeance, which costs quite a bit of his energy and a mixed bag of usefulness. He also has Brainstorms, which will recover his energy or provide other effects. Remote play is more supportive role, primarily focusing on using techniques to gain info on the enemy or to apply powerful debuffs. You can also shift the color of a character, which will be explained shortly. There are also two more things to keep in mind. First is coolness. Observe each character's name to see how much they currently have accrued. It can be filled by using various abilities or using a regular attack. Once the coolness gauge has been filled, the character... Lastly is the color system. Each character will have an innate color, but this can be changed via various skills. Blue does more damage against red, but takes more from yellow. It's as simple as that, almost. Refer to the weakness chart in combat for more. Sorry for throwing so much at you, Lamau. Okay, so I'm gonna reshape this. Yeah, I'm gonna rebuild the room a little. So these, instead of being enemies, are gonna be... Okay, yeah, no, I got it. This will be the training dummy here. So you can do your trial and error stuff. Let me go to the sandbag enemy. Yeah, there he is. So he's got 250 health, which isn't an absurd amount. Make sure the player can run away if they need to. And we'll give the party max out their TP so that they can do cool attacks. So I did find a weird oddity where for some reason text boxes would like blur together. But if I put like this weird weight section, then it doesn't. It won't be weird for whatever reason. Your guess as to why that works is as good as mine. And yeah, we'll make these each their respective member of the trio. So you know that you know who it's referring to. If you need more information on how any particular character fights. I'm still trying to find a more elegant solution to introduce combat and combat mechanics, rather than just throwing a bunch of text at the player. I just don't think that's that fun or intuitive. But I kinda am strapped for ideas, so... Turbo is a high damage, high health character. Okay. That's right, I need the puzzle tester. We'll change this up a little bit. Tutorial time! And we'll make it big. And then we can just grab this thing and plonk it down right here. We could explicitly say, hey, this is the combat tutorial. See if there's anything else I can rewrite to make it a little more concise. His abilities, which drain his energy in exchange for powerful moves. He also has stances. These buffs given to Dorbo, but only one can be active at any time. Which are buffs to Dorbo. We can only have one active at any given time. Rumble is an oddball. He has inventions, which cost quite a bit of his energy and a mixed bag of usefulness. He also has brainstorms, which recover his energy and provide other effects. Grimblade plays a more supportive role, primarily focusing on using techniques to gain info on the enemy or to apply powerful debuffs. You can also shift the color of a character, which will be explained shortly. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of emphasis to text where it needs to be. Like right here. So we'll just change up some colors and whatnot in place where they should be. Like capitalize abilities. Yeah, so it's like highlighting it like you would in a, back in a paper in high school. Let's some emphasis to powerful moves. Drip is a high damage, high health character. His abilities, which drain his energy, exchange for powerful moves. He also has stanchions, which are buffed to Dorbo, but he can only have one active at any given time. Cool, cool. Apply that, so I don't forget and wipe it all out. Rumble is an oddball. Actually, what are the different colors? I haven't like gone through them all. Okay. It's blue. I should probably use the blue for Dorvo since he's a blue guy. 4 is just another blue. That's basically just another blue. Is there a red? Is there a yellow? Okay, so 6 is a yellow. So I've got 1... Okay, 9's probably the best color to use for Dorbo. There we go. 10. Let's go run through the rest just for posterity. I think it's just repeats. Okay, 10. 10, 6, and 9. Ah, 69, that's the funny number. Okay. So, yeah, we're gonna use 10 for that. He is an oddball, which cost quite a bit of his energy. And mixed bag. He also has inventions. Actually, we'll get rid of the quite a bit. We'll just say that we'll emphasize inventions, mixed bag. Brainstorm, recover energy. So those are the main things we want to emphasize. Okay, this works. Cool, 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 cool. And we'll swap out the 2 with 9. Yeah. 9. 9. 9. Oh. Powerful moves is also 9. 9, not 0, 9. There we go. She plays a support role, primarily focusing on using techniques to gain info on the enemy, or apply powerful debuffs. There we go. Okay, and then we'll use /C6, which I'm pretty sure is the right one. Yep. So support role, techniques, apply powerful debuffs. She can also warn. I want to say shift the color. Sure. And we'll just throw that on there. Yeah, okay, I think that works. Maybe I made that a little too loud in your guys' end, might be. Okay, so we'll do that, techniques, apply powerful debuffs, shift the color. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Okay. So let's give these a little read through. Tutorial time, welcome to the combat tutorial. Dorbo is a high damage, high health character. He has abilities which drain his energy in exchange for powerful moves. He also has stanches, which are buffs to Dorbo. You can only have one active at any given time. Rumble's a non-ball. His inventions, which cost quite a bit of his energy and a mixed bag usefulness. He also has brainstorms, which will recover his energy or provide other effects. Gimlin plays his part role, primarily focusing on using techniques to gain info on the enemy or to apply powerful debuffs. You can also shift the color of the party, which will be explained shortly. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. This is gonna take some finagling. Quite a bit of things to do. Let's use the orange as, yeah, sort of middle ground. First is coolness. Gauge can be filled by using various abilities or using a regular attack. And we'll go ahead and... whatever, I got it. Once the coolness gauge has been filled, you can execute a powerful move or use it to revive a character. And we'll throw it in front of only way, too. Lastly is the color system. Between various skills. Changed. Does more, takes more. For more information. Maybe that could be some extra clarification. Yeah, we'll just add a new text box in. A color that is strong against another will do more damage. More damage to that. Not to be more specific. Colors have strengths and weaknesses, which can cause various effects and differences in damage. And various effects. That's kind of loud, isn't it? Yeah, a lot of Genesis tracks that I have in my playlist just blast you the second they start playing. Okay. Blue does more damage against red, but takes more from yellow. Red does more against yellow, but takes more from blue. Yellow does more against blue, but takes more from red. Ba-na-ba-na-na-ba-na. Refer to the weakness chart in combat for let's put on another line. For a refresher. Cool. Ba-na-bam-bam. Bam-bam-bam-bam-bam. Ba-na-bam-bam-bam-bam-bam-bam. I could do this. Might be a little overboard, but I could do like this, this, and make all of them the respective colors. It might take a little bit, but could be worth it. Bum 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 bum. Ba da ba 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 bum 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 bum. Yeah, why not? So it should be 9, 10, and 6. Yeah. And this will be 10, 6, 9. And this is yellow, so it's 6, 9, 10. Blue, red, yellow, red, yellow, blue, red. Alright. It's a little bit messy looking, but we'll sort that. Yeah, now we're just gonna have to copy-paste this at the back end of every single thing we just made. Bum 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 bum. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah, okay. I think that works. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do all these text boxes. Color system change, strength, weakness, various effects. Yep. Powerful move. Revive a character. Only and only way. Powerful move, revive, only way. And coolness. Various abilities. Regular attack. Okay, that was a lot of text. Maybe I'm spending a little too much time on the minutia here. Ah, well. Ability to change his health, changes energy in exchange for powerful moves. He also has stances which are buffs store, but you can only have one active at any given time. Okay, this all works. There's but 2 more things to keep in mind. Yeah. You failed by using various abilities, using regular attack. Failed to connect to a powerful move, use it to revive a character. Only way to revive in combat. Lastly is the color system. Shit will have an innate color, but this can be changed, which can cause various effects and differences in damage. Blue is more damage against red, but takes more from yellow. Red does more against yellow. Yeah. Further weakness chart in combat for a refresher. Yeah, so now you can fight this guy. Okay, we're gonna pause the music for a sec, because I am gonna get the in-game music set up so that it doesn't sound so ding-dang empty. So what do I have? Let's go through my list. So that was really loud on my end. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now it shouldn't sound... Okay. There we go. Now it's a little more reasonable audio-wise. Okay. So I got some tracks that would be fitting. Yeah, we just use this in the tutorial zone. What's danger? Bridge. That's right, just battle with the big bridge. Mini boss. Yeah. So safe kind of fits. Yeah, let's go safe. Safe is what we'll use for this area. And we'll use it for the combat tutorial as well. So we'll use safe for both. For battle theme, I should just have battle already set. Yeah. We have a victory theme. I don't know. Yeah, it's just these same ones. Okay. Okay, so now we should be getting some decent audio. So the bass is gonna need something. Could go with caution, but I feel like caution's a little bit too... Could go with danger. I don't think danger really suits it well, though. Just bang though. I'm gonna pick a different track. I think I've got a track in mind that might fit. Yeah, I don't know how well that... You should be able to hear that. This is what I'm going to go with. I'm definitely not currently getting a YouTube to OGG file converter set up, so that way I can get the song just to use as a placeholder. I'm definitely not downloading a song from a video game. That would be stupid. The converter is definitely working. That I'm not using a converter. That was just a joke. Come on. This thing's not working. I'm just trying to convert a song to OGG so I can throw it in my... What do you mean download link not found? What do you mean link not found? I'm getting trolled. I'm getting fooled. What do you mean link not found? I'm just trying to download a song. Yeah, I've been using a lot of music from Megami Tensei 2, because the music from that is great. Very good. Are these converters or something just down right now? Well, this is an MP3 to OGG converter. I don't really want that. Convert to OGG? I don't want to do that. I just want to... Can I just convert a song? Can I just, like, download a song into OGG? Oh, that's right. Well, I can download stuff to listen to offline. But I can't, like, download the video. Okay, we're gonna have to do a bit of a roundabout method. There's this website you can use to download MP3 files. I'm just gonna download it, throw it in Audacity, and then convert it to an OGG. Whoa. Why does the audio sound so much different in this version? The heck? This doesn't sound right. That's not correct. This is correct. This is the right version. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, well now we gotta... Wait. Nope. We gotta sort through all these tracks to find the right one now. Nope. 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 There it is. Okay, well it still sounds kind of crunchy. I don't really know what's going on with that. Ah well. It'll do the job. We can call this XCon. That's what it's called. And then what we're gonna do is Audacity. See, this is the full game development process. You don't see behind the scenes. You don't see me illegally downloading a track from a video game just to throw it into Audacity and whatnot. Okay, so we got the whole track. We're going to export. I'll move it over here because I don't want my files showing up. We're going to export it as OGG, and we can save it. Oh, it's even pulled up in the right spot. Audio, BGM, and we'll call it just area. And then we'll save it. So exporting it. Okay, so it should be exported. Look at that. Now it's in there. A little bit more roundabout than I would have liked, but... Okay, so I think it's a little quiet compared to the other tracks. Yeah, okay, that's fine. It's an area theme. It can be a little bit more on the relaxed side. So this place will have the autoplay area. And then, if you go up here, then it will... Yeah, so if you go step over this, That's right, because this will enable or disable warp access. We can also use this to change the battle theme correctly. So what I'm going to do is change battle BGM to boss. Yeah, so you get the boss battle theme instead of just the regular enemy battle theme. And then, actually, we can even just do this. Right before the battle, it'll change the battle theme to that, and then right after the battle, it will change it to the regular battle theme. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a test drive to make sure the audio all sounds okay-ish, okay enough-ish, sort of a you could say so. It's like quiet now all of a sudden. Yeah, so you got this theme playing, you're going around, you got some sound effects, whatever. Ooh, I fumbled the puzzle. I shall have to restart it. How shall I solve this? Oh, I have an idea. Aha, I have done it. I'm glad nothing else will happen. And then it plays the mini-boss theme. Cool. Yep, that works pretty okay-ish. I'm gonna turn this way back down so that way you guys don't get your eardrums blown out again. But that should do it. Oh, I need to have the bunker should have a track. I think I kind of like the idea of it just playing the area theme, but quieter. Yeah, it's kind of spooky. What happens in the bunker? I forget what it says to the player, because this will be a little... You found a mysterious key. Okay, that's fine. So you defeat this guy. The event is right here. It says, ow, ow, ouchies, ow. Oh no, I lost. Also, there's a secret pathway through the tree, around the back of the tree lemma. And then he just jumps away. Because there should be some sort of a hint that this exists at all. But then you go into the bunker and it plays the spooky version of the track. So the player right there. And then the storage shed here should have another theme as well. Which we will set that to caution. I always forget how loud that's going to sound. We'll set that to caution. Yeah. Okay, let's give that a bit of a test to see how the audio sounds. So, go to the bunker, just playing the song. It's quieter and slow. Then it's back out to joyful and cheery. Ooh, how spooky, ominous. I'm thinking about putting in like some walking sounds, you know, some sort. Oh no, I gotta fix this too. Didn't realize this was an issue. Oh, I guess I just used a different floor tile type. Oops. There we go. Now it's all good. Okay, so the tutorial is now much better. We've got some fitting audio to make things just a little bit nicer to listen to and experience. Um, so I know that it'll lead directly into the combat tutorial, which is now revamped. Let me make sure that you can escape the enemy first. Yeah, you can escape. Then make sure this gets you to the right spot. Yep. He's so small. Yeah, and then you can go check out the combat prototype, which is kind of a cool thing to do. Okay, okay, alright, okay, alright. So it clearly leads you into the correct spot, and you can do the speedrun mode, you can do yada yada, everything. Yeah, so next is, I think the only thing that I have left to do is going to be the most tedious and annoying part of the process, which is going to be manually fixing each individual guy's move route to the new standard. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to turn on the Megami Tensei 2 OST real quick, though, because that stuff is good. Sorry, just saw a video that was scary. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not mean to make something that loud. Okay, we should be good, though. Now. So we did these two schmucks. But I need to... Oh, that's right, I got rid of that. Yeah. Yeah, do I want to ship it as is, or do I want to go in and alter the routes a little bit? Let's try this guy with the smaller delays. Sorry, this is just music stream. I'm not even saying anything now. Yeah, so the rest of this is just gonna be a lot of minute adjustments. Yeah, okay. I think I'll do that off stream because that's gonna be pretty tedious, and I don't think I'm really gonna have much good commentary for that. Not that it really matters since I've had like one viewer today. Not a complaint, just a joke at my own expense. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end stream today. I've got a lot more work that needs doing, but none of it's gonna be very interesting or entertaining to watch. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Maybe streams next week. We'll see. Probably not one on Monday. Probably gonna see one on Wednesday as I'm still sort of getting adjusted to the schedule of stuff. So, yeah, school start next week. Wish me luck. But with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Have a great one. Hope to see you guys next